I found this product. I want to share it because it is so awesomely cool. It's by a company called Wirefy. Wirefy. I got it off of Amazon. And what this thing does is it's butt connectors with heat shrink, but they've gone a step further. Let me show you here. There's the heat shrink itself, and these two bands right here are adhesive. Okay, so they're glue. When they're heated up, they're going to glue down on the thing along with the heat shrink. And this, you may have guessed, is solder, low temperature solder. It will actually melt at the temperature of the heat gun. So I have a project here, and I'll show you how I'm doing it and how it works. Pretty simple. I've got this wire in here. I'm going to put this one in here. Got to match the colors up, of course. Make it this so that they both crisscross at the same point. I'm going to lock this one down. All right. So I now have the solder over the wire part and then the adhesives there. All right. Now I'm going to use a heat gun. You can back up a little bit now. Heat gun. Get it to warm up. And when I get close to it here, you'll actually see the solder eventually melt. So now you can do a close-up. You can see the silver right in here where it melted. So it has soldered those two wires together. There's a little resin in there too. And unfortunately I used a black wire so you can't see the colors. Down here you can see that some of the colors still show up in it. But when it's all done, these are really, I let the thing cool off because it's still stretchy right now. But here's the finished ones, and they are like solid as can be. I mean, I could jerk on those all day long and they're not going anywhere. Very, very well done. So I'm really loving this product. I've done a bunch of different projects with it so far, and it hasn't failed me yet. The bigger the wires, the easier they are to work with, of course. But I've done even the little 16-wire jobs from that I had to do a splice for my step IR antenna, and it worked out just great, just amazing.